Yeah, hi, good evening, everyone. So, let me check whether I am live or not. So, I'm just opening the YouTube live so that I can watch your comments and everything, and I will give you the. Guys, please let me know in the comment section. Am I clearly audible and the screen is visible? Yeah, hi, Varun Gowda. Please let me know. Am I clearly audible? And meanwhile, if you have any doubts, guys, please let me know in the chat. We'll wait for 1 or 2 minutes. Let others to join. Am I audible clearly? Okay, we'll wait for 2 to 3 minutes, then we'll start immediately. So, meanwhile, guys, if you have any doubts, you can ask me in the chat so that I can discuss a lot of things with you. Not even only aptitude, you can ask about placements or coding or any upskilling, anything you can ask, guys. Okay, so I hope we waited for 2 minutes for others to join. So, meanwhile, we'll slowly discuss, and other people also will join for our for in our YouTube live for the aptitude preparation. So, in our today's topic is this: is aptitude really matters in your placements or not? And I will tell you from scratch to advanced level, even how to learn, how you can become hero in aptitude, so that you can even clear advanced level coding as well. Why? Because if you learn aptitude, you can improve problem solving skills. That problem solving skills will improve your coding skills as well. So I will give you one example also. We will solve one coding question also in this session. Yeah, Venkat Sai Kiran. Aptitude is really matters, even not for the startups, for the MNC companies, or if you want to get into the product based companies or any other jobs as well. Aptitude really matters. So in this entire video of like 30 minutes video, you guys will know about this. So let's keep watching this live lecture and ask your doubts. You will definitely learn it. Okay, so without any delay, let's get started. Is aptitude is really important for the placements, right? So for the placements, we can say like off campus or on campus. We'll have normal MNC companies and product based companies and everything like service based companies and product based companies. All these companies definitely will test your problem solving skills. In the beginning, only I am saying, remember, aptitude is nothing but not mathematics. For example, what are the maths you learned in 10th class, intermediate first year, intermediate second year, or in your engineering, you will learn M1, M2, M3 like this. There is subjects. Those are not aptitude knowledge. Those are pure mathematics. But aptitude is nothing but the ability to solve a problem under in a short time when they have given the time pressure to you. So I will talk about all these things in upcoming slides. So first we will see why aptitude that much matters in our placements is nothing but the first thing. When it is a off campus or on campus, the company's the first elimination round is aptitude. For example, you can say TCS, Infosys, Wipro, Accenture, Capgemini, all these companies, they will come for multiple hirings, right? When people are applied for multiple hirings, they will never directly conduct the coding test. They want to filter the people through aptitude. So the people who can able to solve the questions of aptitude, they can say that they are very good at problem solving skills. So the aptitude is to test your problem solving skills. If you have a problem solving skills, you can learn coding easily. It doesn't matter. Any programming language I can teach you and you can implement the code easily. So that's why a lot of service based companies, they won't focus on language. They will majorly focus on problem solving skills. That's why if you observe, if 100 students is applied for the any service based companies, 80% will be filtered at aptitude level itself. Am I right or not? Tell me in the chat. 80% will be eliminated. Only they will pick top 20% or top 25% or top 15% sometimes. Am I right or not? Tell me in the chat, guys. I'm looking into the chat. Yes, Advik. Okay. And yes, someone is asking how to think the logic for every topic. See, the logic will comes by practice only. Okay. I will talk about it a little bit later. I have fixed the comment, don't worry. So remember, if you are good at coding, if you are good at communication skills, if you are good at everything, but if you don't know aptitude, you can't clear the first round. So if you want to get placed from 3 lakhs to 9 lakhs per annum, any job, aptitude is mandatory. Again, I'm saying to clear any job between 3 lakhs to 9 lakhs, aptitude is must. Next, test logic thinking and problem solving. Aptitude is not a maths. I already told you, right? Aptitude is not a maths. See, even if you are a great coder, you don't reach to the interview without clearing it. And it measures your thinking speed under the pressure. This is the major thing. In the aptitude round, they will give, for example, 30 questions and 30 minutes. And you have a 1 minute time to solve each and every question. So, how your brain is functioning under the pressure or deadlines, and how you are able to achieve the target. This is what they will study through aptitude test. For example, in real time, what they will do is, for example, there is a project deadlines and hardly there is a 1 week to complete the project. Under this pressure, how you will work, how you able to clear the required problems, they will test through this only. So they can feel like, okay, he is capable to do the things under the pressure as well. Like that they will decide. HRs believe if you can solve the aptitude, you can adapt to the coding and job challenges. I told you, right? So you can adapt to the challenges of job and coding as well. So please remember, aptitude is must and universally applicable. Not even IT student, not even in IT field. If you observe any core jobs, PSU exams, state PSUs will be there, right? And government examinations, either maybe state governments or central government or banking exams. If you observe, what they will ask in the first round or what are the primary rounds they will go with, they will test your aptitude skills or not. Guys, Don't think like aptitude is only like quant or reasoning or what. Aptitude means quant, logical, verbal. Three together called as aptitude. Okay. So tell me, is it reality or not in our society? Without aptitude, as a fresher, can you land in any job from 3 lakhs to 10 lakhs per annum? Tell me in the comment section. Yeah, how many days we need to prepare for aptitude? I will give you a planner also, don't worry, in between the video. Hardly 2 to 3 months. If you prepare in a good structured way. Right. So let's look into the how much aptitude we required. Guys, you don't need to be a maths genius. Okay. Even I am teaching the aptitude and coding, I will never be genius in the mathematics. Even if you say, do you know all the formulas in pure maths or anything? I will say no. I am very good at aptitude, like quant, logical, and somewhat in verbal. But if you say, will you remember all the formulas of pure maths like statistics or any mathematical formulas? To be open, I am not a maths genius. I know how to tackle with the problems of aptitude. And you have to focus on only three areas. That is quantitative aptitude. In quantitative aptitude, hardly you will have a 25 topics. If you learn these 25 topics, it's more than enough. And in the logical reasoning, you will have 15 topics to 20 topics. Even you can say like 20 topics. If you learn these 20 topics, it's more than enough. In verbal ability, it is not about topics or anything, grammar, tenses, adverbs, a lot of things will be there. You can categorize them into 10 to 15 topics, and if you learn, it's more than enough for your placements. And also for placements, syllabus will be different, and for non-IT roles, the syllabus will be different. You don't have to learn the syllabus of banking sector, UPS, or any other non-IT jobs. For IT jobs, they have decided these topics are crucial for the students so that they are perform very well in the coding as well. So that's why examination to examination syllabus will change. Never ever follow a single syllabus for your examination. For example, if you are preparing for placements, for example, TCS will have a separate syllabus. Like in aptitude, they will ask a few different topics. For example, if you take TCS, visual reasoning will be there, and statistics also they will ask, right? That right. But if you, for example, take Capgemini or Cognizant, they will never get into. Sorry, yeah. If you take Capgemini XLR examination, they will never ask pure aptitude. Sorry, pure quantity aptitude. They will focus on more logical. That's why they have implemented game-based aptitude. It is also comes under logical reasoning. And verbal ability is a common thing. Why? Because in order to communicate, read, write, listening skills, everyone need to have a verbal ability skills. So that's why they will ask a lot of questions on verbal as well. Why? Because communications are very important. Yeah, Srihari, aptitude is really required for your campus examinations. Okay. So just look at here. Is okay. For service-based companies, TCS, Infosys, Wipro, Accenture, these type of companies will depend on 50% selection process on aptitude. And product-based companies also, aptitude is very less. But problem solving, logical thinking are tested indirectly in the coding round. Is it true or not? Tell me in the chat. Is it true or not? Okay, now I will take a coding example. I will tell you why aptitude is that much important and how can you get the problem solving, and how you can easily, okay, so how you can easily crack the coding problems also if you know aptitude. Okay, so before that I would like to tell that, guys, this is a placement season, so never forget to follow our social media handles, that is Instagram, Discord, WhatsApp and Telegram groups, and a lot of hirings are going on. And tomorrow we are coming up with a one of the best hiring from a good corporate company. We are coming live for tomorrow, which are for 2024 batch and 2025 batch. In detail I will explain about everything. So in order to don't miss these type of opportunities, hiring opportunities, please follow our YouTube channel as well. And also whoever in the comment section, please comment always. Top 3 commenters will get Prep Insta Prime for free. And this is the highest discount we are giving for the Engineers Day. So as of you know guys, Engineers Day is going to come on September 15th. So that's why we are giving a huge discount of 50% on our prices. And if you see the Prep Insta Prime dot purchase page, you can see a lot of discount we are offering. For example, if you guys want to know about the prices, give me a second. So you can see the prices over here. For example, 1 month I will always recommend the students if you are from 2026 2025 batch, and if you are from 2026 and 2027 I will prefer all the remaining things. And if you want to get the 50% discount, simply you need to do is go to 12 months and enter the coupon code KTK Max, and if you apply you will get 50% discount, and only you will get for 3200 rupees for 12 months. So it's not like, even for example 3000 rupees per year, if you divide with 365, hardly 10 rupees per day. Even it is not 10 rupees, single digit it will become. Okay, so for example see 500 rupees per month, so 50% means 250 rupees per month approximately. I am seeing 250 rupees per month means even it is 8 rupees. So per day 8 rupees is not a big deal, and monthly 500 rupees, it's equal to a one pizza or one biryani or two biryanis, the cost, right? So you can invest on your future. Why? Because you know about our Prep Insta Prime product, that is 200 plus courses at a single subscription. Even if you are preparing for product based companies you can prepare, or if you are preparing for service based companies you can prepare. Yeah guys, on my end internet is bit down, I think that's why it's not loading. Yeah, so you can learn like trending courses, whatever the present hirings are going on, we will make them available for you directly. You can navigate here, and for example if you would like to upskill yourself, like if you would like to learn Gen AI or data science, data analytics, we have embedded here. Or if you want to learn about full stack, you can learn from here, and you can keep them all as your upskilling courses and projects you can build. Or if you want to learn any programming language with basic, intermediate and competitive coding also you can learn here. And if you want to learn aptitude you can learn from this section, and a lot of company specific problems if you want to learn you can learn from here. So all 200 plus courses with a single subscription, that is not even per day, it is charging 8 rupees if you take it for 1 month, sorry 1 year, right? So all the links is given in the description of the video, so please use coupon code KTK Max. So here I would like to say one thing is, if you learn aptitude, can you solve coding effectively or not? I will say yes. The people who know aptitude and the mathematical shortcuts more they will do coding in very better way. I will show you the proof. How many of you good at programming? Let me know in the chat. How many of you really good at coding? Let me know in the chat. I am looking into the chat. Now you can throw your questions. Yeah, how many days needed for the aptitude to learn? I will tell you within the next 10 minutes. Okay. So I hope everyone is very good at coding. So here is the one question asked in some of the product based company. One question. Okay. I have taken from somewhere. So what they said is m is equal to 10 and n is equal to 5. You have to add the numbers between them. For example, this is the application problem which it developed from sum of n numbers. For example, if I asked find sum of n natural numbers, what you immediately do? You will use n into n plus 1 by 2 as your answer. So that you will get the time complexity 0 of 1 and space complexity of also 0 of 1. So this is the basic program. But here what they are asking is sum of n natural numbers means, for example, n is 5 is given, you will add 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. If n is given as 10, you will add 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus and so on 10. But here in this examination what they asked is m is equal to 10 and n is equal to 5. What a lot of people will do is nothing but they will run a for loop. What is the second option we can do? Instead of for loop, they can use, if it is C programming language, while do while they can use. If it is Python, only while loop or for loop they can use. Or what are the other concepts we can use? We can use recursion. Tell me I am right or not for this problem. Yeah, you guys have said we are bit intermediate level in the coding. So tell me, is it a solution or not? If you want to add the numbers between the given range, so the range is given here. Think guys, no problem, we have a time. I just would like to listen the answers in the chat. Okay, so a lot of people did the program like that and got rejected. Why? Because test cases got failed or edge cases got failed. Really? Yes. Then how can we do this problem? Actually, the company asked for in interview, I want time complexity O of 1, not O of n. Why? Because if you use loops or recursion, definitely the time complexity is O of n, right? Am I right or not? So instead of that, how can you achieve O of 1 is nothing but simply like this. See, here I want to find the sum of the numbers between 5 to 10, right? So 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10. So this is the m value, this is the n value. How can we solve this problem is nothing but simply take it from 1. Okay. So what you can see here? First you can find sum of m numbers. What is sum of m numbers? Can I say like this or not? M into m plus 1 by 2. If you add, it will give entire sum of the numbers from 1 to 10. Next, how can we remove 4, 3, 2, 1 means? Simply, can I say like this or not? I have to subtract 1 to 4, 1 to 3, 4. What is the deadline question? Sorry, what is the last number? 4, right? 4 means, can I say n minus 1? So sum of n minus 1 numbers I have to remove. So minus, instead of n, I have to substitute n minus 1. If you substitute n minus 1, n and plus 1 will be cancelled. So answer will be n into n minus 1 divided by 2. So from 1 to 10 summation, sum of 1 to 10 numbers, I have to subtract 1, 2, 3, 4. So that I will get the sum between 5 to 10. So simply what you can do is place this formula in print statement. That's it, answer completed. You don't have to use any for loop or anything. Yeah, Vemula Shashank Gaud. Actually, this question is asked in interview. Okay, so they asked for 0 of 1 time complexity. So that's why you have to design like this. For example, in the examination, if the edge cases were failed, how you will know is, once you design this problem, if the edge cases are failing, remember that even if you practice in the lead code, if you did the answer very correctly, some test cases won't fail. You know about it or not? In medium level problems and high level problems, if you take it, easy levels, they don't think about time complexity more, but intermediate level or advanced level problems, if you see in the lead code, they won't get passed. You have to rewrite the code and you have to fetch for the other solution, which is a optimized solution. Am I right or not? Sorry. So tell me guys, have you understood or not my logic? Now tell me, even aptitude is helping in the coding or not? I want to listen from you if you understood this problem. So we can state that aptitude is equal to problem solving. Please respond in the chat. I am looking into the chat. Yeah, okay. So remaining people, if you didn't understand, please watch the video again. And this is the entire syllabus you guys need to learn for our placements. Okay, number system and arithmetic. So number system basics like divisibility, LCM, HCF is important. Guys, have you seen LCM, HCF concepts in your coding or not? If you observe in the data structures and basic data structures, you will see LCM, HCF, GCD problems. And a remainder concept, modular arithmetic, and unit digit, cyclicity, simplifications and approximations. See, I have given a normalized syllabus. Again, I am telling you, it is a normalized syllabus. It is not common for every examination. What you guys to do is, you have to check for your previous year papers of the different companies and you have to pick the topics from this entire syllabus. You have to learn everything. But once you preparing for one particular examination, you have to revise some topics, you have to skip some topics. That's why previous year questions are very important. And when coming to algebra, linear and quadratic equations and inequalities and algebraic identity. And when coming to the percentage ratio proportion concept, percentages, profit and loss, simple compound, ratio proportion, partnerships, allocation mixtures, and partnerships problems also given, allocation mixtures, a lot of topics will be there. And when coming to the time and work and distance, time and work, pipes and systems, speed, time, distance, boats and streams, problems on time. Sorry, problems on trains. All these are very important topics. These are very crucial. This is a common topics for every company. And when coming to the mensuration and geometry, based on the company's requirements, some companies will ask more about mensuration geometry, some companies will skip. And permutation combinations, no company will skip. Recent times, the AI came into the picture. So for the AI, the backbone is permutation, combinations, probabilities, and statistics. So this is a common problem nowadays. Sorry, common topics nowadays. You need to definitely learn. Okay. Next, data interpretation. Some companies will ask, some or not. So tables, bar chart, pie chart, line, mixed DA, they will ask. So this is the all about quantitative aptitude. When coming to the logical reasoning, logical reasoning also we categorize it like this: analytical reasoning like blood relations, directions, coding, decoding, number series, letter series, symbolic series, puzzles like seating arrangement, linear, circular. So all this comes under analytical reasoning. And logical deductions like syllogism, statement conclusion, statement assumptions, course of action or cause or effect, all this comes. See guys, in logical deduction these are decision making skills. Here aptitude is for problem solving skills. Here logical reasoning nothing but decision making skills. So under the pressure, can you decide the proper in a proper way or not? Decision making skills are logical skills, and problem solving skills are quantitative skills. And data based reasoning like data sufficiency, data arrangement, input output, inequalities. Input outputs are for like banking sector. In placements, you won't see input output or inequalities, so don't worry. Next, critical reasoning like odd one out, analogy, ranking, order, positioning, and Venn diagram. And here one topic is missed: clocks and calendars. So the topic also you need to take. So this is a simplified syllabus. Or if you want to know about the much syllabus, that's why I won't focus on this syllabus more. So if you want to get the syllabus, go to prepare section. Under the prepare section, you can go to the aptitude section of our prepinsta.com and you can navigate to the quant and you can watch the entire syllabus of the quantitative aptitude and you can start learning accordingly. Okay. So all these pages you can easily access. So Engineers Day sale is going on. Don't take it light. This is a good opportunity to grab the sale, guys. Okay, and verbal ability. Verbal ability to test your communication skills and listening skills and writing skills, and last but not least, reading, writing, listening, and speaking. So LSRW is very important. So you need to take care. So for that, you need to learn the basic grammar. They won't ask you like huge advanced Oxford English or any British or English, American English. They will ask you the questions up to your 10th class English grammar. So whether you can able to give the what you are thinking about, whether you are conveying the content to the others, it's more than enough. You don't be a master in English. At least you need to convey your thoughts in a proper way. Okay. So that's why grammar is bit important. In that, spotting error, sentence improvement, fill in the blanks, synonyms, antonyms, one of the most important. If you know more synonyms, antonyms, your communication will be very good. And one word substitutions, idioms, phrases, and reading comprehensions like short, long passages, and infer based questions. Main idea, title of the passage. To be open, I'm only 20-30% good at verbal and remaining I'm not good at. So that's why I'm just giving the syllabus to you. So sentence based, sentence completion, para jumble, close test. In critical reasoning, again statement, arguments, assumptions, conclusions will come. So this section will comes under decision making as well, sometimes in the verbal ability as well. Okay, based on the companies they will decide. So this is all about the syllabus of aptitude. Now a lot of people are asking in how much time I can learn, right? This is a common question we are getting. Shashikant, sir, your batch is coming when? So actually, Shashikant, I would like to tell you this, guys, also for you. So actually, we are starting a daily live oriented teaching sessions, and you can say it is like a OP. So operation placements. So I think the link is somewhere here. Yeah, operation placement. The batch is starting on this. Tomorrow is the orientation session, and from 20th onwards, we are starting the operation placement. It is a live lecture based teaching. So every week we will teach you guys around 4 to 5 hours, and the live sessions those are. So we will guide you. We are always available to you. So you can also check this once. Shashank, if you want to become that. Yeah, for the placements, CGPA matters. I will tell you this. A lot of people say like CGPA or marks will never decide your future. It's bullshit. Don't listen to them. Why? Because marks also matters. For example, if you don't have 7 above CGPA or at least 70 percentage in your 10th, 12th and graduation, you might be not eligible for a lot of companies. So if you want to get into a good corporates, definitely maintain 10th, 12th graduation at least 70%. I have seen a lot of students. I have seen that they'll have a good percentage in 10th or graduation, and they don't have good marks in 12th. They will definitely get rejected. And I have seen a people who are very good in their 12th marks and graduation, and due to their health issues or whatever it might be, recently two persons I got the message like in their 10th class they only secured 60% marks, and the company is which is a good product based company, they they offered around 14 LPA in their on campus. They are not selected these people. Why? Because directly in the eligibility only they rejected, because he got marks in 10th class only 60%. So we don't know which opportunity come to you. You have to ready, guys. So please don't neglect your percentages across your 10th, 12th and graduation. Even within the graduation, I have seen a lot of students. Out of 100 students, 10 students will have this problem that if the eligibility is 70%, people will have 69.5 percentage, 69% and 68% like this. They will feel a lot across their graduation because of missing the opportunities. Because across this your 8 semesters, you can't adjust this 2% immediately within the one semester. In order to adjust this 2% in the one semester, you have to score above 85%, 90%. It is not possible, right? So don't neglect your academics. Always maintain the decent percentage. Decent percent means 70% and above, so that no company will reject you. This is the first phase. Okay, I hope the person who asked this question cleared about this doubt. Next, how to prepare this aptitude in 2 to 3 months. See guys, you have to schedule. Again I'm telling you, if you want to get the job, it's not an easy task nowadays. You need to be a bit consistent. So at least per day, prepare for 30 to 40 minutes, 15 to 10 questions. You have to plan, guys. These 3 months or 2 months, you need to practice so that you will get placed. So for the job, you can give this time. You have a 24 hours of time. Can't you give 1 by 24th of the time to your future? Yes, you can give. Definitely. Weekly, one sectional test. So you need to attend sectional test, means which is nothing but, for example, if you want to prepare quant, attempt 40 quant questions at a time, section wise. Okay. Next, focus on 20% topics and give the 80% question. Okay. So whenever you are preparing, out of this 1 hour, only 20 minutes learn the theory. Remaining time, practice the questions. So that's why we designed our Preparation Star Prime as well in the same manner. If you observe, if you go to the quantitative aptitude, you can navigate to, for example, classical banking percentages. Theory, hardly you will learn in half an hour. And then you will learn different practice questions onwards. Practice questions, half an hour. Another practice questions, half an hour. So that you will learn all model questions. Then you have to navigate to the quiz section. Around 30 questions you need to practice. So if you spend 1 hour per day, percentage topic will be completed in 2 hours. Means 2 days you will complete this topic. You don't have to rush also. Just learn 2 days. Percentages 2 days is enough. Why? Because 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour. Like that you can prepare. And quant, I already told you, these are the important topics I have given listed, but it's not that much required. So in 2 to 3 months you can learn aptitude if you plan accordingly, and divide the topics and start preparation. And common mistakes we will always do as a student is nothing but ignoring the aptitude thinking. Coding alone is enough. So lot of people will do this mistake. They will skip aptitude. They will only focus on coding. Maybe for some product based companies it might work. If you are unable to place in product based companies, you can't also get placed in service based companies because your lack of aptitude. And just now I have shown you how aptitude will impact your coding skills. Why? Because aptitude will increase your intellectual thinking. Whenever intellectual thinking is improving, you can easily code complex problems also. Why? Because you will think in the mathematical way. Where whoever thinks in a mathematical way, they can create the codes very easily. And solving slowly, not practicing under the time limit. This is the one of the big mistakes we will do. Here, what you guys will do is, you will solve very slowly. And you directly go to the exam. And in the examination, 40 questions, for example, 40 minutes is given. Relaxedly, you will do the problems, only 10 problems you will solve in 40 minutes or 20 problems, and you will get rejected. So remember, when you practice, please practice under the time. Next, practicing only easy problems and shocked in the real test. This is what people do. Whenever they see easy problems, they will try them, and whenever they will see the hard problem, they will skip it. They feel like, okay, we will do later. And those questions will come in the examination. Same thinking will be there. Let's try for the other exam. So one opportunity gone. So never ever do that. Learn from the easy problems and practice the harder problems and face them in the exam and get clear the test. This is what you need to do. Not analyzing the wrong answers. See, what you guys will do is, you will see the MCQ question, you will click on the question and you will get wrong, and you feel like, okay, I did wrong. Where I did wrong, you have to analyze it. Some people, what they will do is, okay, this is wrong, I will learn later, again I will go to the next question. Like this mistakes is very silly mistakes, but still these are will affect your future. So never ever do like that. And guys, again I'm telling you, this is a placement season. Get the information in time. Okay. So for that, follow our Instagram, Discord, WhatsApp, Telegram channels of the corresponding years. And please comment on this video. We will pick the top 3 commenters and we will give the preference prime for free on this engineering day. Okay. So use the coupon code KTK Max. On behalf of Engineering's Day sale is going on. You will get for maximum discount. So this is the lowest prices of the year. So never miss this opportunity, guys. Thank you so much. This is the end of the session. And if you have any doubts, you can ask me now. I'm looking into the chat. Yeah, Ram, what is the question you asked? Sorry for that. I haven't seen your question. Yeah, aptitude is required for any roles like networking, network engineers, or any cybersecurity related jobs. See, if you are directly applying for the roles after upskilling yourself or anything, for example, if you did any certification, then you are joining the MNC, they will also basically put a small test on aptitude. Then they will look for the, for example, what we can say, like your technical background. As a fresher, aptitude is must. For example, if you are an experienced candidate and you are worked as a full stack developer for the 2 to 3 years, then you learn the network engineering or cyber security, so you have upskilled yourself, and then you are applying for the job, then they will never ask you for this. But as a fresher, every entrance test will be aptitude test, then followed by any other skill. Yeah, Achut, internship is very important. So nowadays, practical experiences matters for any job role. So that's why I suggest please do any at least one internship. And if you want to know about internships, how to get the internships in 2020, 2025, 2026, we already did a video in our YouTube channel. Go to our YouTube channel and check it. And guys, we are doing a lot of videos in our YouTube channel. Recently, we uploaded around 5 to 6 videos. So about the internships and why resume is getting rejected, and how you can prepare for the aptitude like today's session, and how you can prepare the how you can become a web developer, like that. A lot of question videos we are doing. So please check our YouTube channel once, not even live, also check our video section and shorts also. Why? Because recently we are doing a lot of videos on shorts for AI based content more. So for all these things, you have to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Yeah, innocent. So actually, the thing is, a lot of companies will pick based on the requirement top 10, top 15, top 20 people only. So that's why, for example, there is a less hiring, they will pick top 10% students. If they have like medium or intermediate level number of opportunities, they will pick top 15%. And if they have high requirement, then they will pick top 20%, 25% also sometimes. For example, in your college, they need a requirement of 100 people and 1000 people applied. What they will do? Definitely they will pick top 15 or 20%. So 200 people or something like that they will pick, and they will did the interview and everything, and only 100 people will be selected again on further rounds. They don't want to test more people at a coding level. They want to test in aptitude level and want to reject the people. That's why aptitude is that much important. Okay, that's it, guys. Thank you. Thank you so much for today's live. And tomorrow we are coming to the live to give you one hiring update along with preparation plan and syllabus. So all 2024 and 2025 batch assemble tomorrow. Don't miss this opportunity, and we'll discuss a lot of things. See you guys tomorrow. Bye bye.